Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing of a jewelry subscription box called Silver and Gold, and this company reached out to me about a month ago and asked me to unbox their monthly jewelry subscription service, which looks like this. I do have to say that this video is sponsored by the company Silver and Gold, and I'm just so happy that they reached out to me because I love jewelry. I'm a huge fan of jewelry, and I just can't wait to see what's inside this box to see if it's worth your coin or not. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So the company Silver and Gold, they can be found at silverandgold.com. I'll leave the website right here and in the description as well. Their subscription box is called the Jewelry Box. They also have an Etsy store if you're interested in purchasing it through Etsy. Their jewelry is only made up of precious metals, sterling silver, 14 or 18 karat gold. When you sign up for the subscription box, which looks like this, and I'm gonna unbox it in a second, you get your first month for free. They have different pricing levels depending on what you're looking for, but the box is $29 a month and your first box is free, but you do have to pay for shipping. You can cancel at any time, there is no contract, but there are ways where you can save money. You can sign up for the 3-month plan and pay $27 a month. You can also sign up for the 6-month plan and pay $26 a month, or you can sign up for the 12-month plan and pay $24 a month. So there's quite a bit of savings there as well. Shipping is free when you sign up for the multi-month plan, but shipping is not free if you do the month-to-month, which is still a really good deal for the amount of pieces you get. This box is exactly what you will receive. The pieces inside vary from customer to customer though. They sent a little pamphlet for me to read off of. Basically, the box you're just opening is exactly what customers would receive. Same pretty box, same classy packaging, same quality pieces. Obviously, we don't send everyone the exact same jewelry, but the quality is always amazing. The subscription box is available at silverandgold.com, as I said. By clicking the red gift box at the top right page, that'll take you to the page where it talks to you about the box. So as I keep saying, if you sign up for the monthly subscription service, your first box is free, but if you use my code, you will get an additional gift, and I'll leave my code right here. I think it's just my name, but I'll leave it right here and I'll have it in the description as well. I always love receiving a free gift, so why not? Yeah. Let's get into opening it. As an added bonus and an extra special gift from all of us, save 20% off any item online at silverandgold.com. Use code MYGIFT. So you can go ahead and use that code to get anything that's probably not the subscription box though. They do sell pieces on their own that aren't part of the subscription box. So there is tissue paper here, and let's go ahead and open it. So there is a little card that tells you exactly what you're going to be getting, and it says the Jewelry Box by Silver and Gold. Here's what's in your new box, and it tells you exactly the title of each and their value. Then the total retail price, which is pretty awesome. For future boxes, we do need to know your ring size as well as your bracelet size, so you can email them and let them know. Here we have, this is probably the earrings, I'm assuming, because they're in this like really nice velvet box. I'm gonna go ahead and open them, and this is what they look like. These are gray freshwater pearl earrings, and they have a retail value of $24.99, which, wow, that is really nice. I am a sucker for pearls. I collect pearls of any kind. Actually, when I was a kid, my mom actually took me to get pearls, like, well, I guess it was really in theme parks and stuff. You know those stands that they have where you can pull out the pearls out of the oyster? I thought that was so cool, and I was fascinated by that. So every time we went, my mom would let me get one because I love pearls. And almost all the time she would let me make them into rings or necklaces. And yeah, I'm a sucker for pearls, so I'm going to be utilizing these so much. I always look so weird when I put on earrings. I'm self-conscious about my facial expressions. Ooh, I love them already. This is what they look like on. I really love them. I think they're super pretty. I like that they're gray and not just the normal white pearls. I have pearls in every single color. Like, this is super pretty. I love this. And let's open the next thing. Oh, another pair of earrings. Oh, these are cute. So these are Hugs and Kisses, cubic zirconia, and 14 karat rose gold plated sterling silver stud earrings. And here we have, let me take it out so you can actually see it. Let's hope that the camera focuses. So I'm gonna, I guess, need to take these off so I can actually show you what these look like on my ear. I'm stuck. I love these so much. Look at how cute they are. This is what they look like. So stunning. So stunning. I love the XO. Like, this is so pretty. I love that they're mixing metals and stuff. I really like that. These have a value of $68.99. Wow. That's a pretty good deal. I'm telling you, for the price of the subscription service, you're paying way less than what it's actually worth. The last one, oh, this is so cute. This is the 18 karat yellow gold plated sterling silver anchor necklace. And this is, wow, it seems like it's heavy. It's really good quality, I feel like. This is what it looks like. And it's an anchor. I love anchors. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this on because my nails get in the way. Every time I put on a necklace, I have to get my husband to do it for me because I just can't. I tried to get it on, but I just can't with these nails. I'm actually gonna ask my husband to put it on when he gets home. We're going out to dinner. Tonight's our anniversary, actually, our wedding anniversary of 3 years. And no, I'm not going like this. I'm just actually in the middle of filming another video and another, like, a makeup look for Instagram. So I just had to, you know, come on here and film this video real quick before I continue with that. You see, I can get it on fine when it's like not on my, I don't understand. Either way, this is gorgeous. You could tell it's good quality. It feels heavy and the chain is even nice. And it's 18 karat yellow gold, which is amazing. This is worth $45.99, which I actually, wow, that's a great deal for this. This is so pretty. I love it. I actually, like, I don't know, I can't decide which one of my favorite pieces. I'm here like sitting here trying to think about it. Honestly, it's between these two, but I do love pearls. Like I wore pearls on my wedding day. Like, I'm actually, like, I love pearls, but for some reason these are so unique. I don't have anything like this or this that I love them. Like, you could tell the pieces are such high quality and that, like, I don't know, they're just, I'm really impressed. I don't know, genuinely impressed. Like, I don't know what else to say, but I'm really impressed. They also gave me a free gift, which is what you will get if you use my code for a free gift. And this is a ring sizer, which I actually need. Sometimes I get it wrong for like my middle finger or my index finger. They probably give this in the box so that you can send them your ring size for future boxes. So this is, I think my index fingers are size 7.5. My ring finger is tiny, like I'm a size 6. My fingers are so small, it's kind of ridiculous. And yeah, so yeah, that's really cool. And this has a value of $3.50. It's actually really nice to have this. Like, it's gonna come in handy, you know, if my fingers ever swell up or anything. The total retail price of my box was $139.97, which is amazing because you can get this for $29 a month. I'm really genuinely impressed with this box. I just think that this is such a great value. Like, you're getting genuine sterling silver, 18 karat, 14 karat gold. I just feel like you're getting legit pieces for a very, very low price, and I think that's a great value in the long run. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to use my code for your first month free / a free gift. I think everyone's first month is free. I don't think you need my code for that, but I just use my code anyway because I'm not making a commission off of it, by the way. It's just a code to save you money. I think that the jewelry is very, very good quality for a very great price. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe right here and you can watch these two videos if you've missed them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.